In April 2013, Oddie Crafts released its first review video, the LeBlasto Scully. Without any knowledge of Warhammer 40k, I still made a half-baked bolter mod. Thanks to all the Warhammer fans for not exposing me. But the seed of the bolter was deeply planted in my heart back then. More than a year has passed. The newly created folder back then finally echoed back.
We're saved! Brothers, we fight!
And desolation. Yet, unyielding against the darkness, we are the Emperor's angels.
Let me reintroduce the Audi Ultimate Bolt Pistol. But a bolter without blessings just won't do. After some research, I found references for decorations. Coincidentally, Xtool sent me their latest laser engraver, X2Lef1 Ultra. As a 3D printing content creator, I'm not very familiar with laser engravers, but with its high-speed engraving on multiple materials, the X2Lef1 Ultra's 20 watts fiber infrared and 20 watts blue laser can easily achieve metal embossing and deep engraving. This perfectly meets the loyalist surgeon needs. To use the X2Lef1 Ultra for metal deep engraving, you need to prepare a depth map. A depth map is a grayscale bitmap that uses grayscale to represent depth on the z-axis. Black is the deepest, while white is the shallowest. To test various possibilities, I prepared brass sheets of 0.2mm, 0.5mm, and on 3mm thickness. The F1 Ultra's 20 watts infrared fiber can engrave 256 layered embossment and has z-axis descent functionality. It can easily engrave 1 to 2mm depth in a single pass. This can effortlessly meet the needs of engraving coins and wax seals. If you need greater depth, increase the number of passes and adjust the z-axis descent control parameters. After engraving is complete, first, use a rust removal pass to remove the black oxide layer. Then add a cutting pass to cut it out. 0.2mm can be cut in a single pass. Thicker 0.5mm requires multiple passes to complete the cut. There's no precedent for cutting 3mm brass plates. It should be quite a challenge to expedite the process. I'll skip that for now. We'll try it in a future challenge. The F1 Ultra's 220x220mm working area is close to the size of mainstream FDM 3D printing platforms, so this slightly elongated decorative engraving can be done in a single setup with ease. The texture of the metal product is evident at a glance. To guard against chaos stains, a purity seal is essential. Just engrave a wax seal directly. This poses no difficulty for the X2 F1 Ultra. Simply prepare a depth map. Although purity paper can be printed with a regular printer, why not try laser engraving? Here, I want to experiment with PU lead. Finally, using a real wax seal, I combined the purity paper with a purity seal made from wax. Now you tell me, is this bolt pistol loyal or not? For the powerful capabilities of the X2 F1 Ultra, this flagship desktop laser engraver creating the embellishments for this bolter pistol is merely scratching the surface. It is without doubt an invaluable productivity tool for artisans as small studios. To the loyal craftsmen serving the Emperor, the X2 F1 Ultra deserves the highest praise. Victory is ours. This is Audi Crafts, where creativity and fun come to life. I'm Adia. See you next time.